can't let my feelings cost me all that I've built.
Even if it means losing me instead.
I let it fall.
We are gonna be okay.
You're the one to talk. You got married.
What was I supposed to do?
You rose to claim it. It was
about
dark.
I didn't know there was an us.
Until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees will fall too weak.
I didn't tell you I loved you when I knew I did. Most of all, I'm sorry that I gave up on us. And you never did.
You were right about one. I wouldn't like that.
How many more ways are there for you to rip my heart out?
I can't say that.
Rory.
Don't say a word.
I was in pain. That doesn't mean I don't love you, Amelia, because I do.
Your reasons for not loving me just make me love you more.
Sorry, I couldn't respond to those years. When I close my eyes, I do see a father.
So whatever this is, or it was, I won't, not when I've spent my entire life loving you. Hey, don't leave.
What I have lost, because it's everything.
I need you. Because just hearing your voice, I would have changed my mind.
You take my breath away, you know that? After all this time.
Why? How could you? I don't think that going down this road is a good idea. It's better we stop.